See Help section for usage instructions. Asset types are maintained here. You can also add more and update existing as needed. Now comes the allocation section. Add name, date, select asset type, quantity, rate, and any extra notes if needed. Total amount will be calculated automatically. Add current asset rate to see your profit and loss in difference field. Your total investment amount, current value, and profit and loss difference are visible at the bottom of this table. See all assets by type here. You can get a better view of asset type-based investments with current value and profit or loss. Get this wealth management along with other free and premium Notion template from the link in the description. Thank you.